I've already referred people to the SMA. I've been like, you need this. So yeah, I would say you need this. That's the first thing. And then second, I will say it really gives you an insight. I think Shay said it before. It gives you an insight into yourself already, you personally, and the people around you. And you start to realize that, oh my gosh, like I can't move forward if I don't have this knowledge. And I think you give a lot of knowledge in terms of like, this is why you feel like this, or this is why those kind of things happen. So for example, for me, where I'm a giver and overgiver, I was able to put a little bit more boundaries into my business and be like, oh, when I'm creating those courses, I don't have to overgive myself, because the courses, people do it by themselves and I don't have to be there so much. And then my energy is not overrun and I feel happy to be with people, if that makes sense. So I will really encourage everyone, not only for the professional and the business, but even for the personal, people who want to thrive, to come and try the SMA.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.